Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survivor. In the last class, I showed you how to make use of the Office app in creating a unique figure you want to use in making your designs. The Office app, the boyfriend dress up app. And I also showed you how to remove the backgrounds of images using the background changer. I showed you how you can remove the background of the images you created in Office app, and also the background of your personal images. So today we'll be going a little bit further in our graphic design lesson. Today I'll be introducing you to an application which you will use in making your designs. And if you did your assignments, that is creating unique figures you want to use for your designs, and then trying to change the background, that will help you a lot in following up in this class. So without wasting much time, let's get to work. So today we'll be using the Canva application. So I'm just opening my Canva, and it has just opened. To use this Canva application, you need to put on your data because it makes use of data. It uses the internet to load some of these templates you see here. So in Canva, you can actually do a lot of things. You can actually make a lot of designs. Like you can see it here on the screen. Here you can make Instagram posts. With this now, it will help you to create a design which size, the pixels, and the whatsoever will fit much to Instagram post. That is, it will appear very nice on the Instagram. With the next one here, you'll be able to make your logo. You see Instagram story, this one poster. You can make invitation cards, business card, photo collage, label. You can make a card, flyer. You can make a Facebook cover. You see, this thing will be helpful because if you are new to designing, when you upload a design or an image as your Facebook cover, you will notice that some part of it gets cropped away. But with this application, with this Facebook cover, you'll be able to come up with design that will fit exactly to the size of the Facebook cover, and it will come out very nice. So further, you can see you can use it in making Twitter posts, certificates, and lots more. This is just a few out of many. When you click this see all, it will give you a lot of other options, which I believe you can see here. You can see cards, infographic, brochure, and lots of other things. With Canva, your creativity is limitless. You can do a lot of things. So now, without wasting much time, let's get to start trying some things. So now, where do we start from? Okay, let me just which one should we use now? Okay, so let me use this Instagram post. Okay, let me just click on this Instagram post, and then what again? Okay, so let me just go to this let me just use this design here. You see, once you open up any design like this, what you need to do is just to click edit, and as you edit it, it will load. Believe you can see what is written on the screen. Tap something to start editing. So you just tap. This is an image, so I can just edit it. Can remove it and replace it with this image we created. In the last class, we created this image. That is, we changed the background of the figure we created and gave it this background. So now I'll be using it for this design. I will just click it, and it has entered. So now to change the text here, I will simply click on this text. As I click it, I will then double click it like this and then make any changes that I want to make. So let me just put it this way. Let me just write something like new dawn is a new and then done. So with that, believe you can see this little mark here. You just click it and that's all. So with this, I'm able to put on the new dawn. But if you take a good look at this text, it's really not making so much sense the way it is aligned. So here you can actually align your text. When you click this, you see everything is now centralized. So this image I put in here, I can increase the size by holding the border like this angle, by drawing it. You see, I'm able to increase the size, and I can make it this way, and is a new dawn. So with this now, I'm able to come up with a very simple design. So after doing this, like, there are a lot of things you can do here. You just try to go through it and know what you will need. But one thing that makes a good design is keeping things simple. When you use a lot of features, a lot of stuffs in designs, it's for you it might look so beautiful to you, but to professional designers it will look very much amateur. So always try to keep your design simple. It helps you a lot in making good design. For me, I think this is very much okay. So here you can change. So this is it for the text. You can do a lot of other things here by changing the spacing. You can change the spacing. You can change, like, I think they are all in capital letters. You can change it here. You can italicize it, but that is when you mark the text. I think you can italicize it and do other things. So after doing this, I'll just click on this mark here, and then that's it. Okay, I think I spoiled it. Okay, I'll click it again. Okay, think with this, I'm okay with what I'm able to do. It's very simple and it's clean. You remembered this image, we created it in boyfriend app, and then with the background changer we removed the background and gave it this gradient background, and then with this Canva we're able to just put in something and it's giving us a very nice design. So after, when you are through doing your designs or editing, you just click this arrow, and then you click this arrow, this download arrow, and then you are good to go. Then your design, you see it's preparing your design. With that, your design will be saved in your phone. So you see it, you saved your design, and that's it. You can as well share it through WhatsApp, through Facebook, using Messenger, Instagram, or any of the above, using Bluetooth. So that's it for this design. Maybe we can try some other things. We just tried using this. Okay, I'll reopen Canva again. Maybe we can try making what now? Okay, something like a birthday design. Okay, let's try making a birthday design using Canva. So I may not have the time to start going through all this looking for birthday design. I can just search out for birthday design here. Okay, let's say birthday design, or let me just leave it as birthday. So with that, I'll just search. So you see, it has just given me a lot of templates I can use in making a birthday design. You can see it, some of them are having images while some others are not having images. So but you have 1,001 designs you can select from. So that's one good thing about Canva. As you are taking a look at it, you can also even create your own from the scratch. It will give you ideas, hints, and how you can come up with yours. Anyway, without scrolling much, let's just select one and then do one or two things with it. Okay, let me just take this as a birthday design. Okay, and then normally I'll click on edit. So this is the edit, it's loading. So I'll just click on this picture. I want to remove it. I want to change it to maybe my picture or something like that. Okay. So sorry, I forgot to tell you, there are Canva actually have gallery of pictures you can select from. So you can just keep scrolling down. Maybe you get the picture you need for your design. But let me use mine. So here, maybe I should use this for my design. Okay, sorry, this is a video and not is a video. To delete, just hold anything you want to delete, drag it to this delete button, and it will get deleted. Okay, so let me add image to it. So let me look for a good image of me, though I'm not a type that take pictures. Which image should I use now? Okay, I just took this picture while coming back from church. Let me just use it. So you can actually resize your pictures by holding this. You can actually resize it. You can actually resize it. So let me leave it like this. So the text, like I told you, you can always resize your text, you can always edit it. Same with this. You can do a lot of things. You can bolden this by clicking this B. It gets bolder. You can change the spacing, and when you want to add one or two things to the design, you make use of this plus button. You see this plus button here. With that, you can add maybe text, you can add sticker, you can add video, you can add illustration, you can add logos, you can add all sort of things. One thing with things like this, graphic design and the likes, things like skill, a teacher is not supposed to teach you everything. A teacher is just to introduce you to it and then show you the basic things you need to know about it. Then you go in and then search. Try them, try putting your text, try putting images. You then try to get used to the app. With that, you learn how to use it. So I think this is all I'll have to show you about Canva. Like this one that I've done now, when I click on this arrow now, it gets saved in my device. I don't know if we will have to check on another design now. Okay, it's trying to save. So that is how you make use of templates in making your designs. So in the next class, I'll be showing you how you can make designs from the very scratch. So thank you so much for watching. For your assignments, I will encourage you to edit a lot of templates, as many templates as possible. In the next class, I'll be showing you how to create designs from the scratch. Thank you for watching. See you next class.